Hey everyone, Alex Carino with Arcan RV Edmonton. Today we're going over Keystone's latest release. It's the all-new 2026 Coleman Legacy 2400 REX. This is a beautiful trailer, just under 30 feet long. Pretty cool. Coleman is one of the top selling brands in North America. Let's kind of go over here a couple cool little things that we have going on here. We have a fiberglass molded front cap. We also have the all-new pin box as well, Kurt Helix. So you have that nice big shock there. It's gonna give you a lot more forgiveness going down those roads. Of course, you have your front storage here and a decent amount of storage here as well. It's actually quite wide in a mid-profile. You have tons of space here. You're gonna get these composite steps. They decided to change away from the solid steps, you know, mainly because, well, solid steps are metal, a little bit heavier. These composite steps are gonna be lighter. Still adjustable legs. They're gonna be easy to get in and out, as well as they have slots here too, so you can kick off any debris as well. You have aluminum wheels, auto level on here as well. This model comes with the SolarFlex Protect, which is gonna be a 220 watt solar panel with a 30 amp charge controller. And it's gonna have pre-wired inverter prepped outlets. So you do have a bit of a plug and play inverter prep system. On the outside here, you're gonna have a nice, big, beautiful lawn black powered awning. It's gonna cover basically your entire camping setup, including your front entrance, your massive window to your kitchen, and even your pass-through. You know, a lot of times you keep the awning on the outside of your pass-through and you're kind of stuck in the rain if you gotta get something. And you have this beautiful black tempered glass door. Step on in. And let me show you the rest. It's pretty spacious in here. You know, they make these slides a little bit more true fit. You know, it's a lot more flush. 6-foot boxes inside. Here we have yourself a 16 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt. A lot of fifth wheels in this size are gonna be down to a 10 cubic foot fridge. So this is gonna have a massive advantage. So you're able to fit way more goods inside your fridge, a lot more space. If you're taller, you're not worried about hitting your head on the fascia when you go to sit down, have some lunch or play some cards. Blackout blinds all around. You're gonna have a 65-inch TV in this model, solid surface countertops, air fryer, microwave with convection oven, massive window, and you still have a lot of cabinets kind of surrounding. So you're not losing any storage, you're getting plenty of light all around. And it's pretty fantastic, to be honest. Come down here, you get actual nice, and this is real wood, so you get real wood inside here. Nice big drawers, Thomas Paine furniture for theater seats. Plenty of storage up top for any of the goods that you might want. Come around here, you have a 30 by 40 shower. Porcelain toilet. You're also gonna have yourself an on-demand hot water tank system in here. You get your shower miser, shower head too. It's just gonna help with better pressure, better water flow, a little more efficiency, especially when maybe you're off grid and you don't wanna use that water as much. It's just gonna help with everything. As well as a nice king bed. Now this king bed is still functional. I can still get around this king bed. There's still plenty of closet space. I have spot space for my phone. I even have a nice little window up top here too, in case I want to look into the stars and kind of hang out. So we have our 12 volt plugs here, USB and USB-C, regular outlets. And you can kind of look over there to the little outlet, can have a little yellow sticker on it, and that one is pre-wired already for an inverter. So this kind of ties in earlier with the SolarFlex Protect package I was telling you about, the solar panel. So your plug and play inverter is already there. It's pre-wired, it's hooked up. So if you have a CPAP machine, it's already pre-set up there for you. AC up top here in the bedroom. Nice large closet. Tons of drawers. Spot for a TV. And then I'll show you here, we got a little bit more space underneath this bed. If you want to put any games or any shoes, you know, maybe a blanket or something like that, I mean, you can kind of use the space as you might need. You can slide bins underneath. But yeah, this is the 2400 Rex. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's a fantastic option. There's plenty of value in here, great layout, so I think you'll really love it. So thank you so much for watching. My name's Alex Quinn.